Hey babes! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a nursery tour with baby. Kiari, say welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. So I'm gonna walk you through her nursery and let you know her favorite items and my favorite items, and also what worked best for me since I've been, you know, warmed up to it and where everything is, and the best suitable place for everything. You ready? Let's go. Come on. This is the changing area. So as you can see, I got a pink changing pad cover just to match the aesthetics of her nursery. And over here, don't mind baby, this is how I keep her entertained right now. Over here, we have the changing section. I recently bought this wipes holder off of Amazon. The wipes holder, why I got this is because the bulk wipes that you just like do the refills in here, they are a little bit better cost wise, so I just got a wipes holder to keep those, and it's a skip hop version. I'll put a link down in the bio section, and so far so good. I like it because it also keeps the wipes moist. And here is the almonds powder, got the Vaseline and some diapers, and her Aveeno lotion. And this is the Burts Bee Oil. My friend introduced me to this, and so far I like it in the winter time because I notice when I do put the Aveeno lotion on her skin, it's still a little bit dry and it's a little cold outside, so that keeps her moist. Ugh, don't like that word. That keeps her moisturized longer. So you can try that and see if you like it as well. And to the drawer. And in the top drawer, I have her little swaddles, and I have some day-to-day onesies and outfits. In the second drawer, I have her swim stuff because she did start swimming lessons, and you can start your baby in swim classes. I started at 3 months. Yeah, I start her off at 6 months, but you can start them off as early as like a week or so, just to get them used to the water. And the best thing happened the other day. She actually started like diving underwater, so she went under and I let her go, and she's only 7 months, and I let her go and she literally like swam a little bit towards me. It was scary at first, but to be honest, it was a little rewarding knowing that my baby can do that. For the second drawer, I have some rags, towels, toques, socks, mittens, and her bottoms. These are all her bottoms, and her little sleeper. And this divider, I did get it at Ikea, where you can purchase that, and it comes with 2 long ones, 2 little squares, and 2 of these larger boxes. And then in the final drawer, I have just extra sleepers, extra outfits, bibs, jackets, dresses, and just another outfit drawer. And this drawer, that is her junk drawer. So we're not going to go in there because it's quite messy. Under here, all her books are there, and some little shoes, headbands. And let's move over to this little cute little nook section. So here I have some extra outfits and her little teddy. And this sign I already had before, I just plopped that there. And here I got everyone to sign this from our baby shower with her ultrasound in there and her little handprint. And for the humidifier, I did go with the Pore. That one, it's quite nice. I like it. It lights up in the nighttime, as you can tell, and it's also easy to clean for me anyways. And then below I have extra diapers, her swim diapers, and extra blankets, and her little shoes. And here we have the Diaper Genie. The Diaper Genie, I got that, which is perfect for me. It holds quite a bit of diapers. I don't empty it, so my partner empties it. And this is she's introducing her crib. So this is her crib. For the crib, I got the Newton mattress. I like it because she likes it too, as you can tell. She's letting you know. She had quite a few messes on here, and I was able to unzip the whole thing and put it in the washer, and it worked out perfect because then I don't have a stain mattress, and I can't compare it to any other mattress because this is my first child, but so far it's good for me. And her little name thing, I contact this person off Facebook Marketplace that my friend introduced me to, and she did a fabulous job. She was easy to communicate with, and she actually had to redo her name just because there was like a little line in it, or a little dot, a little hole, and she's like, it's not perfect, so I'm gonna redo it for you. And I was like, okay. And she's very patient. She picks the font with you and everything. Yeah, so this is my baby girl's nursery. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions of anything that you see in the nursery and you want to know where it's from, comment down below and I will definitely get back to you. Kiari, she's a little busy. Say thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Just
Oh, no, 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 no.
I got the Newton, what do I call this room?
Mattress.
Yes, I got the Newton mattress.